Hello beautiful family, welcome to my channel. In today's video, what I have for you is different ways or tips you can prevent your yam from spoiling. The first tip you are going to use to preserve your yam from spoiling is a tumba of yam. This one has been cut into half and I use half and this half is remaining, and I don't have to allow this half to spoil because I do not use it immediately. These 4 ingredients I am showing you here work perfectly. I am not showing you the 4 ingredients for you to use all at the same time, but I am showing you all these so that you will know the one you have and use it at a particular time. Okay, either you use palm oil, baking soda, lime or lemon, but for today's video we are going to use lemon. I've tried all of them and they work perfectly. When I say they work perfectly, I meant it. So we are going to use this lemon. I've cut it half already and I will apply it generously throughout the surface of the yam, just like so. By so doing, the yam will be prevented from growing mobs or going bad quickly. I am sure this is so helpful. Please follow for more tips as I bring you the second method by which you can also prevent your yam from getting spoiled. This is the second tip, and this particular tip is for those that have all the time, and for me this is my best method, and I normally do this every weekend when I have all the time. Yes, when I have all the time, cut and peel the yam into your preferred sizes and shape. For me, the way I am cutting it is just the way I like. I will also be showing you on this video what I use them for. Alright, one basic truth we have to know about yam is that yam are annual plants harvested after one season. Most time I normally preserve my yam when they are extremely expensive. When it is yam season, you see them everywhere and at a very cheap or low prices, but when it is not its season, they triple in prices. For that reason, I joined the host of other women who manage their homes to try preserving it, and it worked for me. For that reason, I also decided to bring it out for my beautiful family here to join me as well. This method of preserving yam has really helped me, and I no longer bother if yam spoil or not. Please note, if it is a yam that change color, because a lot of yam change color as you are peeling them, they will be changing color, make sure you add water in the bowl so that they won't change color further. But this one is not changing color, as you can see. That is why I do not add water in my bowl. Alright, once the peeling is done, go ahead and wash them very carefully. Alright, remember that you can cut yours any shape or size you desire. For this particular shape, you can use it for boiling, porridge, pounded yam or pepper soup. Alright, once the washing is done, I will transfer the yam to a tray lined with parchment paper. Please make sure you pat dry the yam to avoid excess water, because I've done that off the camera. Okay, just spread them out to avoid sticking as you see me do on the video. Once that is carefully done, go ahead and pre-freeze the yam for 3 hours. 3 hours later, beautiful family, this is the yam and the ziplock I will be using to store the yam or pack them. You can use any ziplock of your choice. Okay, there is no problem about that. Now I will carefully detach the yam from the parchment paper. Can you hear the sound? This shows that they are well frozen. Okay, as you can see, I'm portioning the yam. You can portion yours anyhow you like, but make sure you don't overfill the ziplock. Give a space so that when you return it back to the freezer, they won't stick together. Okay, well packed, right? I love this. I will return them back to the freezer. This is 1 month later. Yeah, I needed to eat some pepper soup. Just pour the preserved yam in a clean bowl. Can you hear the sound? That shows it's well frozen. The water you see me adding to the pot is a boiled water. After adding the boiled water, go ahead and add the frozen yam directly to the pepper soup. Okay, please don't soak the yam in any cold water before cooking. If not, you mess up the whole thing. Add directly to a hot water or boiling water and cook straight away. Yeah, the pepper soup is ready. As you can see, serve and enjoy. You can as well boil the yam with some salt. There is no stress on that at all, and eat it with some Utazi sauce or any sauce of your choice. I have a video of this Utazi sauce up on my channel. Please check it out down the description box. Alright, this is so delicious. Yes, it is. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, share this video, and comment below this video, and subscribe if you have not, with a bell on to be notified anytime we upload amazing video like this from me and all my crew. Stay blessed, and we will sure see you in our next video.